Are you looking for an PC case with good airflow? In this video, I will show you the 5 best airflow PC cases based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Cooler Master NR600. The MasterBox NR600 applies optimal cooling and expandability to a minimalistic design. With thermal capability at the forefront of features, the front panel and top panel are designed to signify airflow performance in its purest form. Functionality is blended to a compact design by maximizing use of internal space and implementing subtle design elements. The MasterBox NR600 features a tempered glass side panel, fastened by thumb screws on the rear panel to keep the surface immaculately flush. The full mesh front panel and ventilated top panel provide a high potential for thermal performance. The tempered glass side panel, fastened by thumb screws on the rear panel, keeps the surface flush and unobstructed. The 4th product on the list is the Fractal Design Meshify S2. The largest Meshify case to date combines all the strengths of its predecessors with our most revolutionary modular design elements. Its iconic angular mesh offers more than just a distinctive look. It augments air intake and unleashes the true potential of the open layout PC. Powerful performance and bold aesthetics are magnified to an all-new degree in the larger and even more capable Meshify S2. Create the ultimate custom loop with adjustable reservoir brackets, pre-drilled pump mounts, and an innovative removable top bracket with dedicated fill port. The full-length steel shroud with removable cover creates a ventilated mezzanine with alternate SSD mounts and cleanly concealed cables. The 3rd product on the list is the Fantex Eclipse P400A. The Fantex Eclipse P400A breathes performance with its full metal mesh front panel. Thanks to engineering improvements, we have been able to create an ultra-fine performance mesh that brings best possible performance while keeping dust from entering the system. With the integrated digital RGB fan controller and fans, you can easily customize the color theme with the touch of a button right out of the box. The 3X pre-installed digital RGB equipped fans provide high airflow with low noise to optimize your system. The digital RGB controller can be expanded with more digital RGB products and synced with any compatible motherboard. Offering more performance out of the box and supporting upgrades like vertical GPU placement and up to 6 HDD positions, the P400A is compact yet capable of housing powerful systems. The 2nd product on the list is the Lian Li Lancool II. Lancool II is the easiest to open. The tempered glass side panels offer an unobstructed view to the internal components. The bottom flip shroud panels provide a quick and easy access to PSU/HDD installation. This PC case is a powerful multifunctional well-crafted case. The ultimate chassis for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The 1st product on the list is the Cooler Master MasterBox TD500Mesh. The MasterBox TD500 makes you stand out from the rest with a 3-dimensional diamond-cut design extending from the front bezel to side panel. The diamond-cut pattern extending from the front panel to the side panel shows a unique lighting effect for your system build. The MasterBox TD500 supports CPU coolers up to a height of 165mm, graphic cards up to a length of 410mm, and power supplies up to a length of 180mm. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.